During the Industrial Revolution in the 1800s, a smart entrepreneur from the east of the Netherlands, Charles T. Stork, saw the potential of new technology. Full steam ahead, by 1868, he and his brother had opened a factory in Hengelo. Within 5 years, Stork built its 100th steam engine. 25 years later, we delivered the 1000th engine. One system per week for clients worldwide. Our turbines, pumps and engines began powering industries and driving economic growth. Stork's products received top recognition. We won gold for our horizontal compound steam engine at the 1878 World Expo in Paris. And we were certainly in good company. Along with product innovations came social innovation. Stork cared about the well-being of its people, recognizing that they were key to success and believed in sharing prosperity. As our products spread throughout the world, our company also grew, spreading its wings to the Far East and the Far West. Stork colleagues began traveling widely to support their products. The products of Stork directly impacted countries and communities. By the 1950s, more than 200 pumping stations were powered by Stork engines and pumps to keep the Netherlands dry. Some are still in use today. The world's most powerful diesel marine engines were built by us in 1975. After years of engineering and collaborating with industry peers. As we continued to grow and diversify, we acquired companies with specialty expertise, merged with others, and took on joint projects. In 2007, with a workforce of more than 8,000, we shifted our focus to industrial maintenance services, while keeping select fabrication capability. Within 10 years, our workforce had more than doubled. First adding businesses from South America to Australia, and then joining Fluor. We are now 18,000 people strong. Stork is its people. We are one team, working together, connecting and engaging, and sharing expertise around the world. We work under challenging conditions, with high-pressure equipment and in tight situations. Therefore, safety is at the heart of everything we do, and has been for more than a century. Backed by the right training, the right preparation, and the right mindset, we make our solutions work for our clients and value the communities in which we work. Innovation is still in our DNA. We drive new technology solutions and will always look for a better way. Stork is taking on the challenge for the next 150 years.